FM's Prime News at 6.
Official data showed today that China reported its weakest annual economic growth in a generation last year, raising concerns about the health of the Chinese economy and its impact on emerging markets. The world's second largest economy grew 6.9% last year, compared with 7.3% growth in 2014. Last year's economic growth marked the slowest expansion since 1990, when China posted a 3.8% growth a year. Softening trade and manufacturing have fueled concerns about the Chinese economy, which has been struggling with the unpredictable nature of its stock market and mounting debts to local governments.
Busan's low temperature this morning of 4.5 degrees below zero set a record for the winter. According to the Busan Regional Meteorological Administration, the sub-zero temperature arrived early this morning along with strong winds of speeds between 8.5 to 13 meters per second. Adding to the sudden freeze in Busan, the strong winds created the feeling of a temperature of 11.6 degrees below zero. Weather radar on Gudok Mountain, an unofficial meteorological station, recorded 9 degrees below zero this morning. The weather agency forecasted that today's high temperature will stay at 0 degrees, and tomorrow's morning low will drop to 6 degrees below zero. In addition, the severe cold will continue for a while. Police are investigating the presence of live military ammunition and training grenade gunpowder, which were discovered in a Busan apartment plumbing box. According to Busan Kumjeong Police Station, 72 5.56 millimeter bullets and 106 units of training grenade gunpowder were found in the plumbing box on the 19th floor of a Kumjeonggu apartment yesterday morning. A maintenance worker for the building found them while checking the facilities for the winter season and promptly reported the discovery to the police. Police are checking CCTV footage of the apartment and checking for matches to fingerprints found on the plumbing box, bullets, and gunpowder. A recent survey showed that 1 out of every 33 Busan citizens utilized 119 emergency services last year. According to the Busan Fire Department, 119 emergency ambulances were dispatched 162,405 times for emergency situations and carried 108,352 people last year. On average, an ambulance is dispatched to the public every 3 minutes and 20 seconds. The survey also reported demographics of users by age. The highest rate of use was by patients between 51 to 60 years old, with a total of 20,737 people. The second two highest user groups of the emergency services were between 71 to 80 years old and 61 to 70 years old. The total number of patients over 61 years old was 45,614 people, which transferred 42% of total emergency call patients to the hospital. The nation's first 50-seat airliner is launching a domestic flight service between Gangwon-do Yangyang Airport and Gimhae Airport. 100 people, including Gangwon Province Governor Choi Mun-soon and aviation officials, participated in today's launching ceremony, which was followed by a street campaign promoting the Yangyang-Gimhae route around the Busan Gukje Market before the ceremony. The 50-seat airliner service will fly between Yangyang and Gimhae 9 times weekly. An architecture-themed guidebook in Busan has been released. The tour guidebook provides a quick look into modern and contemporary historical buildings, as well as excellent architectural resources in Busan. The city of Busan and the organizing committee of the Busan International Architectural Culture Festival reported the publishing of the Busan Architecture Guidebook. The guidebook features 171 buildings which have been deemed noteworthy in Busan and organized them into 18 architecture-themed tour courses. The palm-sized guidebook contains an English version for foreign tourists. The opening ceremony of the 16th Joyful English Camp was held yesterday. The free English camp is made possible by the Siwon Welfare Foundation, which is Busan's first public welfare foundation supported by the private sector. The English camp is an education program providing English lessons to elementary school students of low-income families in Choryangdong and Sujongdong. The Okgaedongmu Choryang Child Center operates this program annually during school vacation. The 30 students participating in this camp receive English lessons on a variety of exciting topics. The curriculum includes special English lectures by native speakers, English fairy tale classes, and simulated cultural experience classes. The camp, which began yesterday, will conclude on the 29th.